Bum, bum, bum. Decimal, a number that shows part of a whole. Using a decimal point. Bum, bum, bum.
Fraction, a number that names a part of a whole.
Using a fraction bar. Bum, bum, bum.
So 0 and 8/10.
The decimal.
The same as 8/10.
The fraction. These two quantities look different and never form.
But
they're equal in value.
So, dude, if we cut a pizza into 10 equal tubular pieces,
How many pieces would be on mine if I got to have 0 and 8/10 of the pizza?
8 totally tubular, equal, delicious pieces. Yum, yum.
preposterous. One time I digested 8/10.
The fraction.
Resulting in, by my calculations, the consumption of 8 perfectly proportionate pieces.
Well done, genius.
That's because they're equal.
Duh.
So like, are you saying that 6/10
The fraction.
is totally the same as 0 and 6/10?
The decimal.
Totally.
So yeah, what if I had 200s?
The decimal.
Of my mama's pie. What would my mama's pie look like then?
Shucks, that's barely a bite.
I'm hungry. When can we eat?
Yeah, me too.
If a pie got cut into 100 pieces, you would only get 2 teeny tiny pieces.
The same as 200. The fraction.